Hello guys, welcome to Exam Grade 95 channel. Today video is on top 50 current affairs October 2020. Number first is in October 2020, Assam Chief Minister launched Kisan Rath mobile app. Who is the CM of Assam? Answer is Sarvananda Sonowal. Number second is Ashwani Kumar passed away in October 2020. He was appointed as the governor of which state in 2013? Answer is Nagaland. Number 3. On Mahatma Gandhi's 151st birth anniversary, which building was illuminated with the global icon's image along with his message for world peace? Burj Khalifa. Question number 4. Which bank has appointed Charanjit Surinder Singh Atra as its Chief Financial Officer? Answer is SBI, State Bank of India. Which state government has appointed senior IAS officer Vijay Vardhan as the new Chief Secretary? Answer is Haryana. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as a non executive and independent director Hero Motocorp? BS Dhanova. Number 7. RBI has appointed its general manager DK Kashyap on the board of which bank? Dhan Lakshmi Bank. Question number 8. In October 2020, who has tendered his resignation days after being appointed BJP National General Secretary? Answer is C.T. Ravi. Who won the 10-meter air rifle event at the 5th edition of the International Online Shooting Championship in October 2020? Vishnu Shivraj Pandyan. Question number 10 है guys. In October 2020, who conferred gallantry and non-gallantry awards announced on the Republic Day to meritorious personnel? Answer is Atul Kumar Jain. Next question number 11. According to the Global Hunger Index 2020, how much percent of India's population was undernourished? Answer 14. Who has been signed up by Veja for its men's personal grooming electronics range under the Veja Men brand? Answer is Rohit Sharma. In which state was the first plantation of hing done in October 2020? Himachal Pradesh. S.S. Puri passed away in October 2020. He was the former Anti-Corruption Bureau Chief of which state? Answer is Maharashtra. Number 15. Who became the first Indian to win the Wildlife Photographer of the Year award in October 2020? Aishwarya Sridhar. Number 16. Passenger train services from Dhaka to which city planned to be started from 26 March 2021? Siliguri. The Karnataka government has announced the launch of the new industrial policy 2022-2025. Who is the Chief Minister of Karnataka? B.S. Yediyurappa. When is the United Nations Day observed? 24 October. In tennis, who won his 13th French Open in October 2020? Table tennis player of Spain Rafael Nadal. Sarath Kumar Kar passed away in October 2020. He was related to which field? Politics. Kaumudi Munshi passed away in October 2020. She was related to which field? Singing. Kaumudi Munshi, also known as Nightingale of Gujarat. What is the rank of India out of 158 countries in the commitment to reducing inequality index by Oxfam? 129 is answer. Who has won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2020? American poet Louis Gluck won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2020. According to the World Health Organization, in October 2020, which country could be the next country on the journey to a polio free world? Answer is Pakistan. When is the World Polio Day observed? 24 October. Who has become the only batsman in IPL history to have a record of hitting 206 and 500 fours? Virat Kohli, who has informed that the phase 7 of Vande Bharat mission will begin from 29th October 2020. Hardeep Singh Puri, which country has decided that no service will be provided to people who don't wear masks? Bangladesh. Question number 29 है guys. In October 2020, Sports Authority of India has approved the national coaching camp for which sport? Table tennis. Where was the third wire seller meet organized in October 2020? Answer is Srinagar. Question number 31. The governor of which state has inaugurated the Safe City project in October 2020? Uttar Pradesh. Which country won the Solar Awards for the Asia Pacific region during the third assembly of the International Solar Alliance? Japan. What is the rank of India in the global mobile internet speed rankings? 131. The police of which of the following cities made a film on women empowerment titled Ame? Answer is Hyderabad. In October 2020, who has been appointed as the Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India? M. Rajeshwar Rao. In October 2020, how many scientists won the Nobel Prize in Medicine for discovering the liver ravaging hepatitis C virus? Answer is 3. Number 37. Manoj Kumar Bharti has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to which country? Indonesia. In October 2020, the Punjab government has announced how much percent reservation for women in government jobs. Answer is 33. In October 2020, who has been elected as the Deputy Chairman of Indian Banks Association? Dinesh Kumar Khara. What is the theme of the International Youth Day 2020? Youth Engagement for Global Action. 41 number. India celebrated which anniversary of Quit India Movement Day in 2020? Answer is 78. Who has taken over the charge as Director General News Services Division of All India Radio in August 2020? Jaideep Bhatnagar. IPL 2020 will be played from September 19 to November 10, 2020 in which country? Answer is UAE. Lee Teng Hui passed away in July 2020. He was the former president of which country? Taiwan. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Bajaj Allianz Life in September 2020? Ayushman Khurrana. Who laid foundation stones for various sports facilities in Leh in September 2020? Kiran Rijiju. What is the rank of Mizoram in the first All India Happiness Report covering all states and union territories? Answer is 1. Which metro became the first metro in India to have the cashless facility of multiple token sticks with Go Smart Card? Lucknow Metro. Question number 49. What is the name of the social campaign launched by Uttar Pradesh government on Global Hand Washing Day? हाथ धोना रोके कोरोना. Parliament has passed the Aircraft Amendment Bill 2020. It seeks to amend the Aircraft Act of which year? Answer is 1934.